Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials ready. Update iPhone and laptop, then connect with a certified cable so the systems recognize each other. Once connected, unlock the iPhone and tap Trust if prompted. This authorizes data flow. Make a quick choice between direct cable transfer for full control, AirDrop for selected files to a Mac, iCloud for wireless syncing, or a vetted third-party app when you need cross-platform features. Each method trades speed for convenience, so pick based on file types and urgency. You now perform the main transfer. If using cable on a Mac, open Finder and select the device. On Windows, open iTunes and go to Device Summary to manage files and backups. For AirDrop, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices, then drag and drop photos or documents and accept on the laptop. If iCloud is your choice, verify available storage and turn on syncing for photos, contacts, and files. This lets the cloud populate the laptop automatically, once signed in with the same Apple ID. You finish by validating everything. Open a few transferred files, check timestamps and sizes to confirm integrity, then safely eject the iPhone or unpair Bluetooth. Once done, keep a backup until you're sure no data was missed. If something goes wrong, try simple fixes first. Restart both devices, use a different certified cable, or reinstall iTunes/drivers on Windows. If AirDrop fails, toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and move devices closer. These steps resolve most connection and permission problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.